Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to request a specific amount of Bitcoin on Cash App. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to start requesting a specific amount of Bitcoin via Cash App. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now the first thing that we're going to do is open up Cash App. Then on the bottom left hand corner, you want to click on the number $9 and then you want to click on the up and down arrow located right next to sell. So click on the up arrow and the down arrow and then click on receive. Now this is the really important step, guys. On the bottom hand side, you're going to see this button that says add amount. So click on add amount and then let's pretend that we want to go ahead and request $5. You can just input $5 and then click on next, and there you have it. You're now requesting specifically $5 or 0.00006103 worth of Bitcoin. So you can share this QR code with your friends and family or any customers or clients that you may have. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and request a specific amount of Bitcoin on Cash App. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know.